Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a special Minnie Mouse Witch Squishmallow. We're going to actually start off with the witch hat. On the top left of the page, we're going to draw an oval. And we're not going to complete the oval, we're just going to leave it like that. Because we're going to actually draw in the top of the hat now. So we're going to repeat the oval in the center, like so. And once you're done with that, we're going to extend this and then go up to that point and then go down. And then go back up only to around this point right here. And once you're done with that, we're going to curve and go meet with the other edge of the oval. And since this is a witch hat, we need a little ribbon in the middle, right around here. And that looks like a pretty good hat. And the hat done, we're going to draw the rest of Minnie right down here. So we're going to start off with the side of her head right here, and we're going to go down to this point. And she is wearing a little robe, so we're going to actually draw in a little badge in the center. So measure around this point of the hat right here, and the inside oval, go down towards the middle. And then we're going to draw a little circle like so, and we're going to add two little ears. Super easy. I'm going to add a little circle in the middle, and then two little eyes, like a little cat badge. Super cute. And from the cat badge, we're going to go from here down to this point, and this is going to be the inside of our robe. And with that done, we're going to go to the left and then go back up. Not quite touching this point, just enough. And then we're just going to do a little bump. I'll give you some time to complete that. With that done, let's complete the robe. We're going to draw in a line right here. Make it a little wiggly, a little bump, because this is going to give us the effect that it's folding, like so. And then we could just outline the robe with a thin line for the detail. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. We're going to go around here, go down, go out, we're going to go up, up. We need to complete a little line right there. Once the bump is done, we're just going to add some folds like so, and then the outline. I went really quick on that part, so I'll give you some time to finish that. You could pause the video right now, or you could continue. I'm going to continue, so we're going to follow this line right here towards the bottom. And then we're going to connect it over here, which this is the bottom of Minnie. This is her body, so we're going to go down, really around, and back up. And then from this side, we're going to draw the rest of her body. It's just going to go from here all the way down to this point. Now we can draw in the iconic ear, so we're going to start from here. And it's going to be a medium-sized oval, like so. That's going to be the ear. The other ear is going to be covered by the witch hat, so we don't have to draw that. And now we can draw the face. The face is going to be pretty simple. We're just going to start from here, and we're going to end right here. Going in, a little cheek. And we're going to repeat the same shape on this side. Go in, little cheek, and now we can connect the bottom of the cheek all the way across, like so. With that done, let's add in a big nose, like so, with a little highlight and color in. And now we just need Minnie's eyes. She's gonna be two circles with a little highlight. Try to get them even as possible. Really cute. This one's the left one's a little bigger, so I'll just extend that. Now we just need the little eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. A Minnie in a witch outfit. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.